Hi, and welcome to this episode of Empowering Your Job Search. My name is Soozy Miller. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisor Board and my company, Control Your Career. I am a certified behavioral analyst and an executive career coach. I work with executives who feel stuck in their situation. I coach executives to control their career by giving them the tools and methodology to land their next awesome opportunity and then to control their overall career path until they don't want to work anymore. So as we are heading toward the end of 2022, we're in Q4 now, some people are talking about the best time to look for a job, the best time to job search. Now, I just saw someone who said that the worst time to look for a job is the summertime. And there's some benefits to that. There's some truth to that. But I can tell you, I've been just as busy in the summer as I've been any other time of the year. So I think it's more like year round, and it kind of depends on the individual. The argument for year end is that budgets are decided in Q4 for the following year. So that companies are basically putting on hold all of their budget and spending decisions, and that includes hiring, until the following year. And I understand that. Their hiring budget is just a part of their overall budget. So I understand why people would delay job searches and the hiring process until the following year. But I've had plenty of clients all year round. I have plenty of clients in the summer. I have plenty of clients in the winter time. For the last several years, I've even had last minute clients who need to apply to a job between the week between Christmas and New Year's because they found out that this one company is hiring by January 1 and this position is open and they're making their decision by January 1. So I've even helped clients with a couple of rush jobs in getting their application in. So all of this guessing at hiring and the best time to find a job is, I think, just people trying to figure out a pattern about something that you really can't guess at. It really depends on the company. It really depends on when the executive's ready to move on to the next opportunity. It's really on a case-by-case basis. So I don't think you can make an overall judgment about the hiring process. But what you can do, and the take home from this, is really the best time to look for a job is when you already have one. If you're an executive, if you're in leadership, you want to look, and you're even thinking of looking for your next opportunity, you're even getting the idea of the next opportunity, you really want to start to work on your resume and your content, and you really want to start working with a coach when you already have a job, because then you have an income and you don't have to worry about your daily intake, and you don't have to worry about your expenses. You can take your time with the coach and figure out your next best move and make all of your job search materials the best that they can be. So I hope that helps you with understanding the hiring time of year and how it's an individual challenge, an individual issue. So thank you for watching today's episode of Empowering Your Job Search. I hope this was helpful to you and your career. If you need further information, just click on the link in the description and I'll be glad to talk to you about all of this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so you get valuable daily updates. I'll talk to you soon.